Hi, this is Richard Chamberlain, and welcome back to the Protecting Your Family's Future podcast. This is episode number 36. Today we're going to be talking about a question that I get sometimes from people when they're sitting down and meeting with me. They say, am I too young to do estate planning? And the answer to that, of course, is no, you're not. As long as somebody is over the age of 18, they need to do some kind of an estate plan. We've talked in the past, if you go back to episode number 17, we looked at the estate planning documents that your college-age children need to have. So, everybody needs something. As long as you're over the age of 18, you need to have some kind of an estate planning document. Now, that doesn't mean that you need everything that everyone else needs. Everybody's situation is going to be different, depending on their age, their family situation, their asset situation, and their goals. And an experienced estate planning attorney will sit down with you and guide you through the process of helping you determine what is going to be appropriate for you, what you need. But everybody needs something. So let's break that down a little bit. Everybody needs a financial power of attorney, a document that allows the appropriate people to manage their property and financial affairs if they become incapacitated. Everybody needs a healthcare power of attorney, a document that allows the appropriate people to make healthcare decisions for you if you're not capable of making your own healthcare decisions. Everybody needs a will if they own property. That property is not just real estate, that's bank accounts, vehicles, of course, real estate, any assets that someone owns. If you own assets, you need a will to manage those for you. You might need a trust if your assets are such that a trust makes sense and your family situation, your beneficiary situation, and your goals all line up. Then a trust may be the most appropriate thing for you. And you'll notice in that list, we didn't talk about if you're of a certain age. So it all has to do with what your current situation is. And what you need to do is take a look at who do I have as my beneficiaries, whether it's your children or your other family members or charities. What are the goals for my estate plan? What are the assets that I have? And then you look at, well, what kind of an estate plan do we need? What tools do we need to use? But yes, you need some kind of an estate plan. So I hope that's helpful for you today. It's kind of a quick one, but there's really pretty cut and dry. Yes, you need something. It's never too early to start planning. We have some people say, well, we figure that we've gotten to that age where we need to do something. And they might be in their 40s and 50s. And thankfully, it's not too late for them to do something, but they could have and should have done something earlier in case something had happened. Fortunately, it didn't in their case, but getting that plan in place means that if something does happen, things can be taken care of the right way by the right people. So I hope that's helpful for you today. Go out and get your estate plan, get your documents that will accomplish your needs and goals, whatever those may be. If you need to speak with us about your estate plan and want to reach out, the contact information is in the show notes, and we'll be happy to talk to you. And we look forward to talking to you soon. See you next week.